At Bonsmaras, we present an exceptional offering this year. Built on 47 years of focused selection and proven genetics, our breeding philosophy is simple: profitability through adaptability. Bred to perform where it matters most, on the veld. And this year's bulls are a true reflection of that promise. Hardy, veld-adapted Bonsmara genetics that deliver where it counts. With a herd ICP of 371 days, we continue to prove our philosophy year after year. This year's offering includes 23 top selected 2023 Bonsmara bulls, 15 quality stud females with excellent figures, and 250 commercial females in various production stages, all bred from our proven herd sires. All animals are vaccinated against foot and mouth disease, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. Andre en Reina Hol nooi jou hartlik uit na Bonsmara se 28ste produksieveiling. By Anko meet ons nie sukses in die kraal nie, maar op die veld. Want as 'n koei nie in die veld kan presteer nie, hoort sy nie in ons kudde nie. So of jy nou 'n stoetteler of 'n kommersiële beesboer is, hier is jou geleentheid om te belê in bewese, veldaangepaste genetika. Moenie hierdie veiling misloop nie. Woensdag 22 Julie 2026 om 11:00 by Pieteron Veilingslokaal Vryburg. Die veiling sal ook aanlyn beskikbaar wees via SwiftV. Bonsmaras. Genetika wat werk, waar dit saak maak.